Hey everyone, Jacob from Mastercamp here. Today we're going to travel out to deep space and talk about one of my favorite astronomical objects, the infamous giant rainbow space bubble. Alright, so they're not actually called giant rainbow space bubbles, they're called planetary nebula. But I always thought that term was a bit of a misnomer since they don't actually have much to do with planets at all. Back in the 1700s, astronomers like William Herschel and Antoine Darquier de Pelpois frequently remarked that although they had no idea what they were looking at, these objects kind of looked like fading planets through their telescopes. And the name just kind of stuck. In reality, these are actually enormous clouds of ionized gas stretching about a light year in diameter, left over from the death of a sun-like star. During the last few 100 million years of a star's life, it swells into a red giant and begins ejecting everything around the core of the star into outer space. When the incredibly hot core is exposed, its high-energy radiation shoots out in all directions, and like the universe's biggest blacklight turning on, this radiation energizes all the surrounding ejected gas and makes it glow. This is why at the center of every planetary nebula, you can find a little white dot at the center, which is the leftover core known as a white dwarf. Depending on the circumstances of the star's death, the echo of light they shine on the surrounding gas takes on a lot of different shapes, colors, and sizes. Most of them resemble colorful bubbles, hence why I like to call them giant rainbow space bubbles. However, sometimes if the dying star has other stars that it orbits with, the gravitational influence of those other stars alters the way that material gets ejected. This can lead to a wide variety of interesting shapes, such as a dumbbell. If you were to come back in about 6 billion years from now, our own sun would have blown out into something that looks a little bit like the Ring Nebula. Not to worry though, that's a really long time from now, as the sun is going to be with us for a few billion years more, which might as well be an eternity as far as us little Earthlings are concerned. Plenty of time for us to figure out how to explore the stars in my opinion.